baksa sokde shiva dila manzo types of reaction ganjango. In our fourth period we are going to learn about types of reaction. Generally, there are many types of reaction, but here we are going to talk more about few types of reaction, such as combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction. So we are going to focus more on combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. 제가 먼저 reaction 뭔고 쉬우쉬울 때 먼저 디긴가 강가 한 도나 쉽지 디긴가 강가 먼저 조지니 정리를 쉬이 엔디는 건들이 통마들라 combination reaction 거기에 시작을 시나 벤자샤나 케시 calcium oxide 지 먼저 뇌에 지는 루체니 엔디는 추실로 그러지나 가리진 추로 그러지나 엔 가르치기레스나 calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water and there is a formation of calcium hydroxide. 그래서 먼저기 calcium oxide quicklime 연료 먼저기 찌땅에게 가래 powder carbs or calcium oxide quicklime reacts with water. 먼저 이 calcium oxide bigger 찍는 거라. 디베진 bigger 찍는 거라. 라, there calcium oxide 먼저 찍는 거라. and bigger는 먼저 이 디네마 출루 되지나. water 제 디 먼저 이 calcium oxide powder 찍는 출루로 되지나. It will react vigorously. let the reaction to push huge take place. 크지. and 계란이 내가 라바창가 and the 차오르. 제자 it reacts vigorously to form calcium hydroxide. 다 가사야 먼저기 formation of correct chemical compound condition form 지고 어디 지다. calcium valency 2 hydroxide is an acetic radical valency 1, so calcium hydroxide. This is select line. Calcium hydroxide la select line. Choose look at oh yeah. Chesa that is state yang anzu chemical equation anzu state yang in liquid. Any there anzu bracket now AQ. The aqueous solution. The aqueous solution. All the same. Now, what do you see over here? There is a substance A reacts with substance B to form a single product, that is AB. Single product. In a reactant, we have one substance reacting with another substance. There are two substances. They react to form a single product. Such types of reactions are called as a combination reaction. Combination reaction, a reaction in which two or more substances or reactants combines to form a single product. Such a reaction is called as a combination reaction. The negative reaction is a combination reaction. And here, not only this combination reaction, we are going to say that this reaction is again exothermic reaction. Why is it an exothermic reaction? Because it releases heat. Heat a reaction in which it evolves or it gives out heat. It is called as a exothermic reaction. Reaction combination reaction combination reaction exothermic reaction. The exothermic reaction example example respiration. The process of respiration is an exothermic reaction. Respiration reaction exothermic reaction. Respiration like the respiration is an exothermic reaction. Respiration is carbon dioxide. Respiration of carbon dioxide. Respiration of glucose. Food glucose food that the food oxygen oxygen. This food breaks down to form carbon dioxide, water, and heat energy. Then also the heat heat energy. All this. Just in this thing, then also respiration. Entire process is respiration. The equation balance is equation balance. There are carbon 2 there are carbon 2. Carbon 2 cheaper. That there are oxygen 2 go chick. There are oxygen in the 2. There are 2 thousand there are oxygen oxygen 2 oxygen 2 ton. Oxygen chok gecha. There are oxygen 2 oxygen that the car took so took oxygen chok gecha. Oxygen chok gecha. The hydrogen there are also there are hydrogen 2 equation balance. Combination reaction and decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. There's some chemical equation, equation balance. Junction. The respiration. Here the respiration example it is exothermic reaction. Dinner she channel answer you Sawalma, Monze that Nazuki Tatsan Logi, and say the sun and composed servitachina. That is also exothermic reaction. They are exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. So, in a combination reaction, Taya digi ada respiration tang anzuki compose so that the digi sama exothermic reaction re machine combination reaction re lagyo mare. Yeah, the combination reaction e imba exothermic e imba ganzo example lagla na and the jitinger take example tiche. Any exothermic check po in reaction lagla na the tiche. That was the rigon shiki over the china dele rigon so exothermic reaction tang combination reaction of musum mushi kyawa tujugon ke yawa ches lab da china and mushi chadwa niga yimba yorwa any combination yimba exothermic ma yimba exothermic yimba combination ma yimba and one the other example take it and mushi to ni yeah combination reaction tani combination reaction ya example shamba chingan so draw burning of coal is right? The carbon coal the burn the burning with the oxygen. There are oxygen in combustion they get some combustion they get some carbon addition of oxygen. Carbon oxygen carbon dioxide plus heat. They are trading those. In a trade there are also product chick. Two reactant or two substances combine to form a single substance. It is called as a combination reaction. So the hydrogen. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. That is the equation. They need they need oxygen they need hydrogen shield they need. Just the equation balance. This is also a combination reaction. That there are straight take just hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Again, two substances combine to form a single product. That is called as a combination reaction. So today we are going to keep it over here. Thank you.